Right the video, maybe depend on my mood. More bookings and payments and shit, then got huge. Hop in the spaceship, take it to the moon. Cold hearts on my face just to help me look cool. Her pussy stay wet, we don't gotta use lube.
What's good, y'all? We're here back with another video, and today I got my dog Arby. You know what I'm saying? So y'all already know Arby don't really be getting bitches like that. So today I'm gonna try to set him up and find him a girl. We gonna find you a girl today, cuz.
Alright, bro.
No, for real. Like, you gotta sauce them though. You gotta put.
What the fuck is your last time?
You gotta put some effort in. He's acting like this cause he don't know. He know that I was doing this. But we gonna find you a girl today. That's what we doing. That's the mission. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna use monkey. Right, put your phone down. I need you to focus, cause you gotta get these hoes. You ready?
Shit.
You ready? How I put it on just females, or you like men too?
That was it, bro.
She look cute.
Wait, why they? What is that?
This monkey.
That shit upgraded?
I don't know. This shit look like Facebook or something. I don't got enough bananas to put girls only, or they give me 50 bananas. What the?
I think this is a sign.
What? That you'll never get no bitches?
Cut this shit off.
We Gucci. We don't want no he's. Oh, she 20 New York. That's good enough for you. Connection fell. This is bad. I'm about to just get you a heat. She 19. That's good. How you doing?
Hey.
Alright, so look, today I'm trying to get my dog. Wait, add time.
Okay.
Alright, so
What's up?
how your day going?
Great.
Alright, that's good. So I need you to make his day good too. He's struggling with getting females and
I'm not sending him the damn news.
no, he don't need no news. He don't need no news. I'll tell you, but that'll be fine.
Like, he's ugly as hell.
I'm gonna let you be the judge. I'm gonna let you be the judge. You ready?
Okay. Hi. I like your hair.
Oh. Alright, so look.
Y'all are on my YouTube channel, by the way.
Yeah, you on my YouTube channel, by the way. Bruh. So look, I need you.
Yes.
Hmm?
Why am I on your YouTube channel? Did you ask me if I was on your YouTube channel?
Did you ask me?
You finna pay me?
Anyways,
But don't put that shit back.
she like your hair. You're not gonna talk.
I'm not gonna mean. Everybody deserves love, okay?
Everybody deserve love.
There's somebody out there for you, I promise.
Oh, it's not you. Alright, so Aubrey opted out. So I had to find replacements to find them a date. That's my goal. I'm gonna give y'all a date. Alright. So y'all tasked. Y'all basically gotta snag. Y'all gotta snag who up on monkey, like y'all gotta snag them, like
You gotta sauce them.
sauce the That's all you gotta do, bro. Literally. So you're gonna turn on the screen recorder.
Just only you. It's only
on you.
It's
No,
only.
fuck you talking about.
It's on Will first.
No, let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Oh, yeah, it's a girl, 19. Damn, she's skitting. Next. Ain't no niggas. Just I'm about to get a nigga so you can rank the fuck out of his ass. If it's a nigga, bro, oh, she. Hello?
Hello. Sorry, I was getting a pencil because I'm doing homework.
Add time.
Huh?
Add time.
No, but that shit gets straight to the lane.
Alright, listen. So I'm playing a little game with my friends, right?
Okay.
So you the contestant. Automatically. I ain't have to ask you. You automatically the contestant. Alright, so look. I'm gonna show you them, right?
Oh shit.
And you gonna tell me which one you want. They're gonna talk to you a little bit. You just tell me which one you want.
This is where it go downhill.
You want me to go left or right first?
Left.
My left or your left?
Yeah.
My left?
No, go, just go.
Yeah.
Add time first. Add time. Alright.
Bad news, bad. You fucking? You fucking or no? Huh? Huh?
No, I'm not.
Damn, you buzzard.
Next contestant, bro.
What the fuck?
Wait, do you want my Instagram though? Oh,
What?
you're kind of fine.
Oh.
You said, do you want her Instagram though?
You fucking? If I get out, I'm not hopping in that shit for no reason.
Dude's a clown, bruh.
You say you kind of fine?
Thank you.
Oh, you got a sauce.
Yeah.
Now you gotta sauce
You
that
got a
shit.
full under pressure.
Sauce that shit. See
Let's grab this shit real quick.
Ugly. Hello? Fuck you finna spit game. Yo, oh my god. Oh,
Alright, for just a bit. Yeah, please, please.
okay.
Let me.
I ain't finna look at this and shit.
Really down here, shit.
Hello? How old you is? What?
At time.
Hey, that was a good talk.
Oh.
Are you adding 10?
Okay.
How old you is?
17.
He came up.
That will get reported.
Alright, bro. Oh, 17. 17. So her thing was said she was 20.
Whoa.
This Arby type.
Oh,
She
you
throwing
getting
it back
lit.
for the camera, kid.
You getting lit. What time is it over there?
This is
That
this
Wi-Fi
was your type.
buggy.
This was your type.
No, I'll be looking. You should have slammed her.
15. Kissing me. Hello?
I thought I was.
Hello? Yeah, you too young.
I guess, but she look at that girl out Finding Nemo. You know the
The
little
bracelet?
Yeah, that's what she look like with the little teeth.
Bro, Justin, bro. Next nigga, bro, you ranking their ass. On go. He from Philly.
Yo, what's good with you? Fuck you got your. What the fuck? Fuck you got a gun? You ugly as fuck. Why the fuck is you on his back? You ugly as fuck. Fuck wrong with you? That nasty ass hoodie. You ugly as fuck.
Oh shit. I mean, it's so funny because you couldn't even see the niggas. Oh my god.
Hey, you know how a nigga got the phone down here and then he be on your back trying to see that shit? Fuck is you on his back for?
Okay, let's see. Niggas in the back like two girls. Hello?
Oh.
Ooh, you like black niggas? Yes, mommy. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you like this? Yes, sir. Hey, he says something like this, yeah.
Stupid, bro.
Oh shit.
I have to finish this video.
Oh, double girls. 20 and 14. Hello?
Oh, son, kick this period.
Alright, so y'all want to be in the. Wait, how old are y'all?
Digg.
15.
Damn, Jet, what the fuck? Get off this shit and go to sleep.
Bruh, these girls on here capping by their age. I swear
Gee.
this app changed.
Quit
It used
to
to be
get a grown ass nigga.
It used to be.
You're not a
Nah,
kingdom.
Kingdom, she probably got that
Her
accent.
name Lee.
Her
name was Lee.
L.I.
L-E.
You said L.I. What the fuck? That's Spanish ass Lee.
That's
Jack that
I just said
Lee.
Oh, 20 from Fairburn. Hello?
It is ugly.
I'm from Florida. Ad time.
Ooh, she,
It
it sound
Yo
like
ass. Oh, I'm about to say yo ass lying. Listen. All right, so look, I got something for you. Oh, you got nice teeth, by the way. That's a good play. All right, so look, I got two people to the left of me and one to the right of me, right?
you got two people to the left of you.
I got.
So I gotta rate them. I gotta rate both of them.
Listen.
I gotta rate both
You
of
the cut.
them.
Add time, cause I need time. So look, you the contestant automatically.
She said, no, I gotta rate both of them.
So look, now is all you gotta do is tell me.
Chill.
All you gotta do is tell me which one you want to see first. One on the left or the one on the right.
Come look.
Either one, whichever one you show me.
No, nothing.
Hey.
Hey.
You not ugly. What you mad for?
Alright, so now it's the other one.
Let me see the other one. See, I gotta talk to him because he's cute. He ain't gonna shy, right?
Oh, gee. G. I ain't even finished all the sauce. I'm finna get straight to it. How old you is?
I'm 19 for the first 20.
Oh, you on some grown shit? You going to the clubs and shit, partying and shit, huh?
Watch this. You should familiar me.
Oh, G, you be dancing? You be dancing too?
Somewhat.
Oh, let me see what you working with. Let me see. Let me see a little bit something.
Too many people in the room right now. See, if it was just you, maybe we could work something out. But
That shit. Wait, what happened if they leave?
I mean, I doubt that they can do that. And you got like 3 seconds. So
I mean, you can add some. Fuck.
That was on the show. What
Lord, got some good content for the camera.
I would say cheese. Nigga, I was talking about some. I you ain't shot. What the fuck? You ain't shot. Nigga, I want to talk to you, big ass. Hey, see?
She said, you ain't mad. What you mad for?
Like, why me? Like, nigga.
Yo.
That's it.
Yo. Hello?
hello?
Hello, how you doing today?
You got an ovary.
You got a box head, boy, snake ass coochie.
I handle
Hold
it for
on.
you. I handle
Hurry
it
up.
for you.
You got a big ass titty.
You got
Wait, why she got that shit straight wrinkly? Like, what?
Hello?
Oh,
Hi.
I love me a double team. Damn, y'all like black niggas or no?
This shit getting straight tight, God.
These hoes buzzing.
Straight girls, I might as well keep going.
Yeah, sir. She young.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
Let me get out of
Yes. Hey,
Oh, she hit it.
hey, she hopped on that shit with an art. Throwing that shit.
Oh, God.
Even though that shit was
I'm about to start doing that.
Hello?
We was like this. Yes, sir.
Hold on, hello? Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video.
Add time right quick.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Obviously, everybody that's joined is Aubrey tight, and we could not get it right. And so, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button.
And if you like this video, can I get a yes sir in the comment section?